Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Sitesgpt. You see, AI is changing everything, including website building. Sitesgpt promises a website with just a prompt. Can it really deliver a professional site? Let's test it and see. You describe your business. As of step you take, you need to describe your business or idea in a sentence, and the AI generates a complete website in seconds. Let's look at the process. It's incredibly simple. No coding required, no dragging and dropping required either. Just describe and generate. Let's look at the pros and cons. We're going to look at 3 pros and then 3 of the cons. Let's start with the first pro. Unbeatable speed. You can go from 0 to a live website in under a minute. Number 2, extremely user-friendly. You see, the simplest website builder on the market. It is the simplest website builder on the market. Then number 3, it is great for simple sites. It is perfect for a basic landing page, portfolio, or small business brochure site. Simple. Let's look at the cons. Number 1, limited customization. That's right, you have very little control over the layout, the design, and complex features. Number 2, not for e-commerce. It lacks the functionality for a full online store. And lastly, generic designs. AI-generated sites can lack a unique brand identity. So that's it for the pros and cons. Let's look at the pricing. Many of these AI builders have a free tier with basic features. But with paid plans, often around $10 to $20 a month, you get to connect a custom domain and remove branding. So what's the verdict, you might ask? Well, Sitesgpt is a fantastic tool for getting a simple, functional website online instantly. But for anything requiring custom branding or advanced features, you will need a more robust builder. Hope you found this review helpful.